So we solder this part, as you can see, and it's kind of connected firmly because we didn't have any base for melting the solder on it. It has been detached from the board. So as you see, we have lines for connecting. Let me use my hands. Okay, so two of them are connected already and there is no problem. And this one, as you see, you can follow its line that is connected to here. So we should solder this small wire. I don't know what it's called in English, but we use it for connecting the places that the line has been detached or cropped. And we should also use another wire to put here and also here. If you can see, we have another line that comes from here to here. So we should solder here to here and also solder this part to here. And also we can use these 3 or 5 parts for connecting them, but we just rub this place with a razor and use these places, make these places, but also we can use these places. There's no much differences. So we should solder these places. So first of all, I solder this one, if you can see. So you should start soldering this one to this place. This is sensitive. Let me change my hands. It's so hard under the camera, but I'm trying my best to show you guys how to connect this thing. I think it's connected. Yes, it's connected. So I should use another wire for connecting the other part. So I'm looking for my wire. So here's our wire. So we should use a small amount of it, and we can cut it with a razor. First of all, we should connect it. I open it and use my soldering iron for soldering and connecting it. And it's connected. So we line it. Oh my god, no, it didn't. Let's do it again. Because these things cannot be soldered easily, I use a soldering paste in this place. As you can see, I'm adding some of them here. For better connection. So let's bring it again. So as you see, we connected all the lines together, and now the USB socket will work. And also it's so strong connect. It has a so strong connection here, and it can work easily. Sorry for not recording this because that wasn't possible for me because it was for hard without using a loop, and that was very so time taking. But as you see, what did I do? Let me use my hands. I connected this part to exactly the place where it goes here, and here that exactly it goes to here, and this one that exactly goes to here, and this, and we have a ground socket that I soldered to the base, and this will work exactly. Thanks for watching this video.